a giant reservoir and two contrasting cross-country bike trails. We are riding across Tai Lam Chung Country Park. Hello and welcome back to Drone and Foe. My name's Robbie, your bike trail guide. And on today's episode, we're in Hong Kong's new territories to ride the Tai Lam Chung Country Park Trail. Let's find out who's on camera today.
Hello everyone!
George. Hi George.
Hello.
Hey George, have you got your drone ready?
Yeah?
What about your phone though?
I'm holding it.
In that case, let's go and show everyone why I think this is one of the best trails in Hong Kong and also one of the most well-rounded cross-country trails for bikes that you can ride on here. Let's go!
Let's go!
In this series, I'm getting on my bike and exploring some of the best mountain bike trails Hong Kong has to offer. Mix that up with stunning sea, mountain and city views, and we've got the perfect backdrop to a great day out on the bike. We're taking in two trails today that will form a loop around the park's large reservoir. Starting off at Tai Lam Chung Road, we pass a security gate and continue on up to a right turn. Next, head straight up through a roundabout past the local correctional institution where a short steep climb awaits. Following signs to Su Lam mountain bike trail, we find a bridge and coast along the expansive dam crossing where we get our first glimpse of the park's immense reservoir. Reaching the opposite side, the 6.3 kilometre road section of our loop begins as we skim the reservoir through a series of climbs and descents. Well, we're on the tarmac section of Tai Lam Chung Reservoir Country Park. If you like a bit of road riding, this is sweet, and it gives you a good cardio workout. But do be careful that there are pedestrians and cars on this section, so keep your eyes peeled. Off we go. The road is easy going on the legs. If you're not racing, the reservoir becomes a calming companion as it constantly emerges through the trees on the left side. A few steep climbs, some small flats where you can crank the pedals, and finally an exciting straight as a die downhill for the speed demon in you. Leaving behind the concrete, we switch to off-road mode for an 8.8 kilometre cross-country technical course. Tai Lam Chung has always been a more mild-mannered trail compared to, say, Lantau's Chi Ma Wan, offering up smooth and weather-worn technical sections that beckon you through with a bit more speed. That's not to say it's all plain sailing. Some sections had me sessioning them before I could ride through in one clean run, and that's the essence of this sport, building skills that let you raise your confidence level to meet the next technical challenge with ease. And 3/4 of the way round the trail now, and on a quiet day like today when there's been no hikers or bikers on the off-road section, you realise why the cross-country riders love this trail so much. Because when there's no one else around, it means you can open up the engines in your legs and just fly! It's a pretty hot day today with meagre cloud cover. On days like this, you'll find plenty of shady nooks to rest under, some with freshwater brooks on hand for a bit of cooling cranial hydrotherapy. One thing I've been missing so far is a good scrappy hill climb, and it comes right at the end. But don't worry, it's not too long, and if you pick your lines well, it can be done in a cinch. Ooh. Well, we've come to the end of another trail and a great day of riding. It was about 15 kilometers today, if you enjoyed that length of ride. Anyway, I hope you got the full flavor of this ride and that it inspires you to go out and ride the trail yourself. Wherever you're seeing this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And on that note, I'm Robbie, signing off for Drone and Phone. I better not go on film.